Welcome to Tom, Tools on Amazon. Every day, we aim to inspire you with a series of unique and out-of-the-box tools and inventions. Ready to explore them all? This electric car factory assembles the bodywork super fast. Every detail is incredibly precise. Cut through walls, bricks, concrete in the blink of an eye, saving time and effort. This machine lifts wood at high speed, filling the car in the blink of an eye, looking like stacking toothpicks.
Random tech finds you'd swipe right on. This little robot lets you switch on any switch in your house from your phone. If you're wondering how it turns the switch back off, all you need is a second robot to stick on top and you have full control of the switch.
Use strong pressure. Install and remove the tire quickly, saving both time and effort. Provide a strong, safe weld, helping to improve productivity and accuracy in all projects. This handheld tiller tills the soil in the blink of an eye, as light as air. It's hard to believe. This hinge locator drills holes extremely precisely, assembling doors as smooth as a dream. This lawnmower glides smoothly like the wind. The grass is neat in the blink of an eye. It's hard to believe. This hinge locator drills holes extremely precisely, assembling doors as smooth as a dream. This machine assembles roller bearings as fast as lightning, accurate to the millimeter. This foldable electric car glides smoothly on the street. Just press a button to easily fold it up compactly. Take it anywhere. Amazed by this snowblower that blows away thick layers of snow in the blink of an eye, instantly returning the walkway to a clean state. So overwhelming. Installing a giant steel pole in the sky, workers hang suspended, every joint is extremely precise. This device pulls the underground pipe, sprays water extremely strongly, pushes the mud and dirt flying, and is done in the blink of an eye. Wow, this trailer is really strong. It still glides smoothly even when loaded with goods. The transportation is light. Measuring accurately to the gram, making cooking as easy as turning your hand. This grain cart collects rice loudly, filling it in the blink of an eye.